If you connect a tiny capacitor to an LED, it would probably let out a quick flash. Connect a slightly bigger capacitor, and it stays lit for longer and it's even brighter. What happens if you use a big capacitor? How long will the LED last? With the bigger capacitor, I will also be using a resistor to prevent damage to the LED and also help it last longer. Now that the capacitor is fully charged to 3.7 volts, let's turn off the lights and close the blinds. Time to connect it. That's a long time. Still lit. Now been on for over a minute and still glowing. Minutes connected and still a faint glow. It's been now over 3 minutes and it's still glowing slightly. This is crazy. Very tiny glow 4 minutes after connection. Lasts to 5 minutes after being connected. The capacitor has been powering this LED for over 5 minutes. It's now been 10 minutes and I can still see a little bit of light. After about 17 minutes, the glow was pretty much gone. I don't even think I see it anymore. This is about what the discharge curve looks like. When first connected, there would be a sharp drop-off when the LED draws the highest current. As the voltage goes down, the LED draws less current, causing the capacitor to discharge slower and slower and slower. That's why it stayed on dim for like several minutes.